for her schoolwork. So I got the Sharpie gel highlighter pack for her. I thought I had a dough blender, but I cannot find it. So I went ahead and picked up this stainless steel one that are going to be eating salads for 2 nights in a row. I went ahead and picked up 3 bags, so hopefully that'll work. If not, we'll just munch on something else. I got a bag of baby cuts in our egg salad, so I picked up that. I mixed this with some cream cheese as a fruit dip for the kids. We had a fruit tray on Easter and they loved it. So I went ahead and picked up another jar. I'm not gonna make it. I don't have plans to make it anytime soon, but I thought this would be nice to have on hand. So my total was $275.69. I did get a couple bigger ticket items, so that jacked the price up. So I'm gonna go ahead.
Okay guys, so I need to eat a lot of the foods here because before it goes bad. So here I mashed up my black beans that I froze the other day. It's hard now, but I will try to make something with that. I don't know yet. You see, look at this. I need to make something with this also later. We shall see how it goes. And I need to eat this. I also need to eat this, like it's starting to yellow already, and this one as well because it's starting to become bad. And look at my carrot. I still can make something out of that, don't worry. And I think I have like this, okay, this tomato paste which I will mix with the beans. I don't know, like I'm not sure how I'm gonna make it. I'm just going, you know. Okay, I have onions also. Okay, can I put that? Yeah, I think that's it.
like that, and I was like, that's a really good idea. So this is something that I'm just going to put in the back of my pantry, and if we use it, we use it, but it is something that will stay back there and shelf stable for a while, and it's something that if I don't have milk and the kids want mac and cheese, I don't need to use it. And then some of the stuff is making sure meat on her own and a veggie sometimes, like she loves peppers, adding peppers into a lot of stuff, and rice, really easy for her to whip something up. All right, and then
so this is what I'm going to eat. Minestrone soup, the beans and potato that I made just now, and also fruit salad. So yeah, this is for dinner. I'm just going to heat this up and also heat that up.
online. This is Tea Diaries, Eva's Campfire Adventure, a scholastic book as well. And then this one has a different take on it also, so it's kind of like a notebook. And then I got right. So that is, I think, it. And as far as non-food items, I tried to organize everything, and then I was like, nope, not happening. So nothing on hand, and I thought I would have some bread to go with it. So these are cheese ones this time because these are labeled as vegan. And Paige has been looking for some like buns, some bread that she can put with like her hamburger buns and her meat and stuff, and I have not had any luck. So I need to go to like a specialty store like Whole Foods or Sprouts, but we're going to push that off for a little bit longer. So I saw these, a case of not Corona, like everybody else is picking up, but we got our favorite, which is Blue Moon. So I got these 12 packs of that. Here's the tartar sauce to go with our fill also. It said 60 calories for 10 cakes. I did say that they were vegan, so Paige can eat these as well. I got the sharp cheddar and the cinnamon and sugar. So I am Walmart. So I'll start with the produce because this is the bulk of the budget. I got a big watermelon. I went back and forth. I almost got 2 watermelons just because the kids are going to be home